Hello everybody, just a quick reminder, if you'd like to sit in on one of our great seminars that we have each week, all you got to do to get the link to join in is email me at shopsmithmike@gmail.com. That's shopsmithmike@gmail.com, and I'll send you the link. The times are 8 a.m. Pacific time, that'd be 9 Mountain time, 10 o'clock Central time, and obviously 11 Eastern time. Thursday, tomorrow, and every Thursday at those same times. But to get in, you got to get the link. The last few weeks, there have been some great discussions we've had, talking about projects, talking about where Shopsmith's at right at the moment, updating you on my updates that I leave each week. So same thing will happen tomorrow as well. I also do this on one Saturday a month as well. I'll let you know when that is, okay? But we've got a lot of things going on. I think you might really enjoy sitting in. In fact, you know what I might do? What might be fun, see if it happens. I'm going to invite Scott Markwood. I know he watches our videos. And maybe Nicholas Cups himself. Let's do that and see if these guys will actually show up. All right? So remember, tomorrow, Thursday, if you want that link so you can join in, shopsmithmike@gmail.com. It's right there. See you all tomorrow.